Introducing the PHEANOO Sound Bar D6, the perfect audio companion for your home entertainment system. With its advanced features and superior sound quality, this soundbar will take your movie nights and music sessions to the next level. Let's dive into the key features of the D6 soundbar. First up, Dolby digital decoding. Immerse yourself in a cinematic surround sound experience with Dolby Digital. Feel the excitement and depth of every sound as it fills the room, bringing your movies and TV shows to life. Next, let's talk about the impressive bass. The dedicated wired subwoofer delivers deep and powerful bass, enhancing your audio experience. Compared to other cut-price soundbars, the D6 soundbar offers superior sound quality and a more immersive listening experience. Crystal clear dialogue is crucial for an enjoyable viewing experience. That's why the D6 soundbar features a specially tuned dialogue mode. This mode enhances speech clarity and makes it easier to understand every word, ensuring that you don't miss any important details in your favorite shows or movies. Setting up the D6 soundbar is quick and easy. With multiple connectivity options such as HDMI ARC, optical, AUX, and Bluetooth 5.0, you can choose the one that suits your setup best. The package includes HDMI and RCA audio cables, allowing you to finish the setup in just a few minutes. The D6 soundbar boasts a stylish and compact design. With overall dimensions of 29 inches wide, 2.4 inches high, and 2.8 inches deep, it effortlessly blends into any living space, complementing your home decor while providing an exceptional audio experience. And here's an exciting bonus feature. The D6 soundbar is Roku TV ready. Enhance your Roku TV experience with the immersive sound quality of this soundbar, taking your binge-watching sessions to new heights. Finally, the D6 soundbar offers a detachable design. If you require a different configuration, simply follow these 3 easy steps. Plug the audio connector into the audio input port on another main unit, merge the 2 main units, and twist clockwise about 20 degrees until it locks securely. However, please note that the soundbar will not function when split.